Starting from August 24, 2020, all Shopee sellers are required to print their own airway bills or shipping labels. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today's video is about an announcement from Shopee, and this is to all sellers po. And this is an update regarding sa ating pagpiprint ng ating mga shipping labels. Yes, you heard it right. Again, ulitin ko, starting August 24, 2020 is tayo na po ang magpiprint ng ating mga shipping labels. So later on guys, stay tuned kasi ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po i-print ang inyong mga shipping labels. This is applicable guys to all sellers, pero ito ay merong sinasabi si Shopee na transition phase. Yung transition phase na to guys is lahat ng new sellers ay kailangan na po mag-print ng kanilang waybill. And to all old sellers naman guys is mag-aantay po kayo ng notification from Shopee na part na po kayo ng mga magpiprint ng labels. So itong ginagawa ni Shopee ngayon guys is binibigyan lang tayo ng oras para kumuha or gumawa ng paraan para makakuha tayo ng sarili-sarili nating mga printers and para maka-adjust na rin po tayo. So, ang adjustment of course is syempre bibili tayo ng mga gamit, printer, and of course the AC sticker paper kung saan natin ipiprint yung ating mga airway bills or shipping labels. And of course, syempre guys, gagastos tayo, and as a seller is mag-a-adjust din tayo sa mga prices natin. Alright, so let's get started with the guidelines guys. So, di-discuss ko po lahat ng guidelines, and again, makikita nyo lahat ng guidelines sa link sa description box, and this article is from Shopee po, okay? So, explain ko lang siyang pahapyaw. Yung iba kasi guys is self-explanatory naman na, so magdadagdag lang ako, okay? So, let's go. Airway bills are auto-generated and can be printed after sellers have arranged pickup for their orders. So, mag-arrange pickup muna tayo before natin makukuha or mapiprint ang mga airway bills or shipping labels. Yan. Airway bills must be printed on good quality A6 sticker paper such as this to avoid issues with scanning. So, yan po yung A6 sticker paper, and meron din po tayong mabibili online from Shopee and other online platforms. Meron din po siguro or sa mga bookstores or what do you call this? School supply stores, yung ganon. Yan. So, ganyan po yung itsura niya. And then, rine-require din ni Shopee na mag-print tayo sa thermal printers such as this to avoid ink smudges. Or, if ever na mabasa yung airway bill natin or yung shipping label or yung paper, is hindi magsusmudge yung ink niya to avoid issues sa mga magsascan po ng mga barcodes. Okay, so nagbigay si Shopee ng onting tulong sa mga sellers guys. This is to help sellers. Shopee secure discounted rates for a limited time on printing equipment. You may shop for the discounted printer and paper bundle sa link sa description box, guys. That's from Shopee po hindi po yan galing sa akin. So, makikita rin nyo po yung link na yan sa guideline article na sinabi ko po kanina. Okay, so may tip ako sa inyo guys regarding sa mga printers, and this is based from my experience na din. Okay, so sa mga sellers dyan, nakatulad ko na may printer sa bahay nila, and this is a laser printer, pwede nyo na pong gamitin yung laser printer nyo sa bahay. All you need to do is to buy A6 sticker paper, and doon natin ipiprint yung ating airway bill or yung shipping label. And I can guarantee you guys na yung laser printer po is hindi po magsasmudge yung ink niya kung mabasa po siya ng onte or mas-splashan siya ng konting tubig, yung mga ganun. Para maiwasan po natin yung ink smudge, which is yun naman po yung in-emphasize ni Shopee. Good. So, let's move on with the airway bill guidelines. So, next one guys is airway bill must be securely attached to each parcel before ship out. So, ito yung nakikita ko guys na malaking tulong din po sa both parties from Shopee and the courier, and sa atin na rin siguro para mabilis po yung pakikipag-transact natin kay courier. Like for example, pagdating ni courier is ibibigay lang natin yung mga parcels natin, pirma-pirma, and then tapos na. Hindi na po yung i-compare pa natin yung mga waybills na binigay ni courier, and then titignan pa natin sa mga pouches natin kung tama ba yung customer na pinaglalagay natin mga waybills natin. yung mga ganon. So, maganda rin po na nado-double check na natin before pa darating si courier. So, good point din ito guys para sa ating mga sellers and to all parties like Shopee and courier. Yan. And lastly is airway bill must follow the format seen on Seller Center. Papakita ko po yun mamaya. So, in-emphasize ni Shopee guys na any edits, revisions, or additions to additions sa format may cause refusal of parcels by courier. Yan. So, wag na po natin dagdagan or edit na kung ano-ano sa ating mga waybills para iwas aberya po sa lahat ng parties. Alright, so moving on tayo guys kung paano po natin ita-download or i-print ang ating airway bill or ang ating shipping label from Seller Center. Okay, so medyo hassle lang po sa mga wala pong computer or laptop at homes. Pero para sa ekonomiya guys, syempre, tsatsagain po natin. Okay, so pag nandito na po tayo sa Seller Center, so go to My Orders section of your Seller Center. And then, click on the To Ship portion at the top of the page. Click on Arrange Pickup for orders you'd like to book for pickup. Click on View Pickup Details after you have booked pickup, and then click the Print Waybill button that appears in the pop-up window. Yan. And ganito naman siya guys for mass downloading of AWBs or airway bills or shipping labels. So, same step tayo guys. So, arrange pickup of orders muna. So, gawin lang natin yung una natin ginawa kanina, like go to the My Order section of your Seller Center and then click on the To Ship portion at the top of the page. And then click on Arrange Pickup for orders you would like to book for pickup. Then click on the Ship My Orders button at the top right portion of the page. Then go to the Download Ship Labels portion and select the courier or couriers you would like to download your airway bills or your shipping labels for. Alright, so before we end this video guys, gusto ko lang banggitin yung seller-owned print airway bill frequently asked questions. And this is from the article as well. If you want to read it, you may go ahead and read it later, guys. Okay, so first question was, what is the implementation timeline? Okay, so ayon kay Shopee, guys, na yung implementation timeline is, sabi ko kanina, to all new Shopee sellers, nag-start na po siya last August 24, 2020. And to other old Shopee sellers po is meron po silang phase or depende po kung naka-receive na kayo ng notification na kayo na po ang mag-ship ng inyong shipping label or AWBs. Yan. So, kung like for me po, wala pa po akong nare-receive na notification from Shopee na ako na po magpiprint ng sarili kong label. But after reading this article few days ago is medyo prepared naman na po ako in case na maka-receive ako ng notification from Shopee na ako na po magpiprint ng sarili kong shipping label. So, yun nga po yung sinasabi ko kanina na ito ay binibigyan lang tayo ni Shopee ng ating time para bumili or para mag-provide na tayo ng sarili nating mga thermal printers or mga laser printers, yung mga ganon. And the sticker paper as well. Okay, so next question is there a required printer brand or unit for printing of airway bills? Okay, so first guys, of course, rin-recommend po ni Shopee na dapat thermal printer po ang gamitin natin and A6 sticker paper po. So yung paper is talagang standard po siyang A6 sticker paper, any brand will do. And the thermal printer naman po, any brand will do as long as thermal printer siya. Or sa mga laser printers naman po, wala naman pong specific brand. Pero kung gusto nyo pong bilhin yung mismong sinabi ni Shopee, sabi ko nga po, may link po sa description box and may discounted price yon from Shopee mismo yon. And then that's just a limited offer, okay? So, if you have extra money to buy that thermal printer and paper, you can go ahead and click the link later para makabili na kayo or makita nyo yung price and mai-budget nyo na po siya. Next one guys is, can sellers opt out of this? Ayan. Ang talaga sagot dyan guys is no. Kasi lahat to guys is applicable to all Shopee sellers. So, in-emphasize po yun ni Shopee. all Shopee sellers, old man or new. So, yeah. And last FAQ, guys, is will all couriers discontinue providing airway bills? Okay. So, ang sagot po ni Shopee is all couriers are covered by this policy. However, sellers who opt to use ex-post will continue receiving airway bills until further notice. Okay. So, yung ex-post lang daw po ang hindi pa covered ng ganitong policy, pero sabi niya nga, for further notice, hindi lang natin alam kung kailan sila mag-shift sa policy ng Shopee. Alright, so that's it for today's video about the update of the shipping label updates from Shopee. And again, guys, if you have any further questions or hindi ko nasagot sa mga diniscuss natin today, then you can go ahead and comment down below your question. And if you have any suggestions or siguro may dadagdag ka pong details sa mga sinabi ko po kanina, go ahead and comment down below so that other sellers is mabasa rin po na ibang sellers, tsaka mabasa ko rin po and may matutunan din po ako coming from you guys. Alright? So, thank you for watching once again, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, guys, and click the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga upcoming Shopee episodes ko and other tutorials on my channel. Again, this is Jess, and thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!